Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about an interesting project at the intersection of football and crypto OneFootball Club. And by the end of this video, I'll show you how you can potentially claim their airdrop. OneFootball Club is a Web3 platform built for football fans. In simple terms, you're no longer just watching football, you become part of the ecosystem. Inside the platform, you can complete tasks, participate in activities, interact with content, and in return, you earn rewards in the form of OFC tokens. So basically, it's a gamified football experience. Now, here's the interesting part. Today, the project got listed on an exchange and launched a large-scale giveaway. They're distributing around $800,000 worth of OFC tokens through an airdrop. If you've already used the platform before and had some activity, you might already be eligible for free tokens. Just go to the website and check your account. Projects like this are gaining attention because they combine two massive audiences, football fans and crypto users, and early users often get the biggest rewards. Plus, with the recent listing, the project is starting to attract more attention and grow its ecosystem. Of course, this isn't guaranteed profit, but it's a great opportunity to get involved early. If you want to try it, go to the OneFootball Club website. Check if you're eligible for the airdrop, start completing activities. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. I regularly share projects like this and show you how to get in early.